Now, loading, playing the beats. I'm back. Welcome to the show,
All right. What's up? What's up? I'm back, man, and we back on the Mac. And so right now, I'm got the M1 MacBook Air right here. Right here, you see, is the M1 tablet and my iPhone, and it's only the 12 Pro Max. I need to get the 15. I want the 15. But yeah, so we got the ecosystem going on. So what I'm about to do right now is go into KOALA Sampler, bro. I really love this freaking app. And I bought some packs, man. I bought some packs from the sound test room. And so we're about to check out one of them right now. And this one is I think it's an ambient sound or something. So let's get into it. Let's get right into it, Betty. And also, wait a minute. I got a tonality pulled up and I got it on Savio. That's why I love this tablet, bro. I love it because the fact that you can do this, I wish you was able to do this on your phone. Maybe you're able to do it on a 15. I don't know. But eventually, when I eventually get one, when I am able to afford one, so yeah, but so far, hey, we're good right now, but let's get in there. I just want to say I got tonality, and that app is cool because you can load up your freaking Scalar 2 presets. Oh yeah. Load them up in there and just play them. So that's what I'm about to do, and we're just gonna get into some sounds and try to make a beat. I'm not even trying. We'll make a beat. Whether it sound good or not, don't know. Let's get into it. Lately beats, man. All right, so I have it pulled up, and let's go here. So when you get the pack from the sound test room, let me go to load. It comes up as like a song format, no problemo. So I'm gonna pull that up. So it's the synthesizers. I'm sorry, so Epic Synth. All righty, let's go. Look, I'm excited. I shouldn't be too excited. I'm supposed to be going to sleep. Like it's all right. I'm gonna be honest. It's 12 in the morning. I got to work, but I'm like, yo, I want to try these sounds and make a beat, and I got to do it before I go to sleep. Like I don't feel complete unless I make a couple beats. It's a problem. It's a problem. Like my whole family knows me just for making beats now, and I've been doing it, but I just really like dove deep into it like bad. But let's get into it, and all right, then I'm gonna take my butt to sleep. All right, so let's check out the sounds real quick. Whoa. Wait a minute. Well, I didn't want this all the way on my camera view, so. Oh, I like that. But see, I don't know if I have the right chord, so we'll find something. Oh, man. Even if I'm not the chords, I'll play these like just notes. And it sounds crazy in the headphones. Sound crazy in the headphones. Hey. Yo, these things sound crazy in the headphone. They sound crazy in the headphone. I would have my you see right here? In the back over here. There she goes. I got one here and I got one there. I would have those on, but it's 12 in the morning. I can't do that. The family wouldn't be too happy, right? Oh. I like it a lot. I'm going crazy expressing them, but let's get it. All right, let's try to find what I'm going to do is just play some chords and just throw a kick, snare, and hi-hat, and we out, baby. I just want to do a quick video because if I get too much in, I'll be up forever. Like I have to remind myself. to keep like the watch on or something to get up, like because you time flies by making beats. Like time flies by when you're having fun, and we about to have some fun. So let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So let's see what we got. Well, first and foremost, I have to put it on. Press sequence. Press the keyboard. There we go. Now I can press a note. Now we in there. Yeah. See, I don't got the right chords for that. Ooh. And the chords that I'm playing with right now are my Scala 2 chords, bro. That's why I love tonality. Like, when I found out that I was like, "Oh, really?" I was like, "Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so hold on. Let's get a little vibe and go." I might make a little couple little loops, starters or something real quick. We got to. Okay. We go to the keyboard, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's in pentatonic. Let's change it. Let's change that. Change that, buddy. All right, let's go. Wait. What? Oh, you know what? I was not. Wow. If we're gonna play the chords, let's put it in chromatic, right? Yeah, I was like, all right, makes sense. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Hey. Yeah, I'm learning on the go. We learning on the fly. We learning on the fly. But all right. All right. All right, now let's go. Let's go. All right, cool. Let's go back now. There we go. Now that sounds better, don't it? Yeah, that sounds better. Even though it was sounding good before, but I was playing it just I wasn't paying attention to that. I might even wait. Whoa, another thing on the app right here. My velocity is not. All right. All right. All right. So, all right. Never mind. Never. Wait. Uh-oh. What did I do? I guess not nothing. I don't know. I didn't read that really. I looked at it and I was like, ooh. Whoa. Holding that down was different. Oh man. All right. Hold on. I said I wasn't gonna be here long, but hold on. Oh wow. Ooh, got a nice little treat at the end. That I gotta play. I like it. I'm just looking for my vibe right now. Hold on. I like that. Hold on, but I want to see something else. Hold on. We might do that. We might do that, baby. Wait. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait. If I'm feeling it, let's just go. And then we can just, let's go now. Let's go now. No. We'll stay there. Because if you're feeling it, you're feeling it. All right. So first and foremost, We need my tempo. I like to go one. Let's go one. All right, 145, I guess. All right. Let's put this in 4 bars. And I was playing. All right, B. All right. Let's try it. Let's try. Here we go. Here goes nothing. I'm excited. Do something like that now. I was just, so I just wanted to, yeah. I'm gonna get rid of some of these right now. Oh, you know you can, wait, you gotta do that. I'm trying to throw away. You can't do that. All right, maybe not. All right, so let me have her do this and I'll just, get a little kick. I could have. I could have sampled the sounds before I went in there, but I just wanted to load them all and then, just see what I wanted. That's just what I wanted to do. I just wanted to take my time. Anywho. All right, let's have him do it. Let's get a little, just a little boopity bat, boop, little boopity bat, boop, 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 so we can go to sleep, right? Or try to go to sleep. Because I know I want to make another beat, but that's a little nice little something for there for now. All right, so I need to pull up. I don't think I can multi pull up stuff, can I? No, I don't think you can, sir. Oh, but can I slide it over? Wait a minute. I might be able to. Oh, wow. I did not know we can do that. I did not know. Well, look at. All right, so what I want to do is I'm gonna just grab a couple sounds, and this is a sample crate that I found on the watching everybody. Y'all keep making me buy these apps, but hey, this is not a bad one. This is not a bad one. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find me a couple kicks, snares, and we're gonna throw them right in here. Boom. That's one thing I love about this app is that you can put it on this pad and just drag it right on over. So, all right, we're gonna go to Chemix. This is my go-to for the most part. Quick and easy, because it's a little. Wait, that's not it though. We need to. All right, there we go, baby. I don't know. It's not that. See, and one thing about Sample Crate, you can test it. I guess so. We'll put that on the pad. How do you put that on the pad again? I guess this is the pad, right? All right, so yeah, it's added to the crate. All right, I add that to. Then get like 2 kicks. Just want to show you how it works. That's cool. We'll use this one. Add that. Add that. All right, so that should be in there, and then we just need a snare. 2 snare roos, baby. Oh, yeah, this might go. I like. Wait, well, no, nah. Yeah, I like that. We'll go that in. What we got here? Nah, we'll go that and that. I'm doing too much. Like I said, I wanted to make a quick video, but I'm a little picky sometimes, a little too meticulous to. You know what? What would suck if this video wasn't recording? I had that happen one time, just going like crazy, and it wasn't recorded. Like, but all right, let me stop talking and get to it, right? All right, so cool. So now that I have it up, so boom, you see that? Yeah, so we can just drag it right on over. I mean, drag it right on. All right. All right. Wait. What? There we go. Ha! I got it. Let boom. And voila! It's sitting there, baby. All right, but let's go. First, let me be quiet before I wake the family up. And she's like, "Why you being on?" Well, first of all right, not gonna get into that. But see, the sound should work, right? Yep. There we go. Let's do a little boobity back. We can go to sleep. I might try another sound though. We might. We're gonna have to. Since I got the we gonna have to. Let's go. Let's try it, man. All right. All right. I'm ready now. Baby that. All right, bring that down. So, All right, here we go. Mo, that need. There we go. Drag this one on over. Choose this. Press that on down. Go to no repeat. Like I said, I just wanted to do chords, kick, snare high, go to sleep. Just keep it simple for now. Just a little quick idea. Just me just playing those chords. Like that's a quick little idea, and I'll be able to throw a little melody on that and just do more if I want. Let's check one more sound. I said that's my problem. I lied. I'm sorry, guys. I lied. After this, I'm out. I promise. I gotta promise myself that. It's so easy. It's just so easy. All right, we definitely gonna save this though for sure. That's definitely not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. I like that, bro. That's I'll be yeah. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. Yeah, I wanted you to go. All right, so let's go back here. Sequence. Nope. Yep. Right. Yep. Let's press this. So then we go there. Oh, easy. Oh, we got one. I hear you, baby. I'm pressing random chords because I'm silly and I don't want to go too much the normal way. And for the most part, they all should sound good. No, I think we're gonna go here. No, where's it? Was it there? Yeah, I think it was that one. Check one more. I like that. Oh. Wow. That sounds crazy in the headphones. Hold on. No, where is it? Ooh. I should throw another set. Yeah, let's go. Let me throw another set on here. Where I thought I had it. I need to ping it. Is it on my pad? It got to be on my pad. Where's my scale? Here we go. Scale is that. So cool. All right. So what I'm going to do is slide this right on over to, right? Yeah. Bring that up. And let's see. Go here. And let's go. All right. We'll try 90s lo-fi. First off, make sure we got a new pad. No, I don't want to say that. Because if you don't put a new pad, it'll what? Ah, there we go. I had it. It was in some reason tutorial mode. We didn't want that. Whoa, 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 whoa. What am I? Wait, whoa, buddy. There we go. All right, so now I can bring this right on over. And what did I say? The 90s, whatever. I think I skipped it. There we go. We'll go here. Try this. You should be able to slide it in. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Slide it right on in there. Boom. All right. Yep. Continue. Now we got some chords. All right. Now let's do this and we out. We really out this time. Ooh. I bet if I turn the velocity down, hold on. Over here. We. All right, that's what I wanted to do from the beginning. I just wanted to see some other things with the chords. All right, but let's do this and let's go out. Let's go out. We got it. I mean, we got to. We got it, right? Yeah, we got it. We got it. All right, man. Come on, let's do it. Bro, but I'll tell you this. They sound great. They sound great. We're gonna go there and we're just gonna record. Sequence. Make sure we on 4 bars. And that's it. Whatever we sound good, sound good. for sure. Because I'm holding the chords. I was not ready. No. Run it back one more time. Let's go back forward and just to keep it simple. Do a couple. I would do that. If not, I'll be here all night. I'm telling you. Whoa. That's fine. We can do that. All right, let's do it. I messed it up big time. I was tripping. All right, there we go. I can't hear my metronome. Wait a minute. We're going to turn that up. Where's my metronome? Where's my metronome? There we go. Let's try that again. You need sound, man. I have to do it. I'm not going to go to sleep. Oh no! I did not mean to do that. Stop recording. There we go. Now I can press the hi-hat. Choose that. No repeat. Do this and we out. We have to go to sleep, man. That sound like a better one. let's say that and go to sleep. This one blatantly tested the room. And I did. Oh, I got a lot more we're going to mess around with. But I just wanted to play with the chords, balls. And that's it. Yeah, baby. Thank you for watching if you was watching. And to all the aliens watching, this one was for you. This one was for you. It's blatantly beats. Loaded out. Blatantly, boom, 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 show, boom, 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 blatantly, boom, 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 blatant, boom, 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 blatantly, boom, 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 show, boom, 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 blatant, boom, 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 blatantly.